In this video, we will discuss about same of the inbuilt function which can be used to modify a given string. Python has a set of inbuilt functions for string modification. Upper method is used to convert the string into uppercase. Lower method is used to convert the string into lowercase. Capitalize method is used to convert the first character of string into uppercase and all the other character in lowercase. Strip method is used to remove the white spaces from beginning and end of the string. Format method is used to replace the placeholder in the original string with the values provided in the parameter. It helps to beautify the output. Replace method is used to replace an occurrence of a substring within a string with another string. Find method is used to identify if a particular substring is present in the string or not. Index method is used to find the index of a character within a string. It is nearly similar to the find method. Is lower method returns true if a string has at least one case character and all other characters are in lowercase, and false otherwise. Is upper method returns true if a string has at least one case character and all other characters are in uppercase, and false otherwise. Is alnum method returns true if all characters are alphanumeric. Is alpha method returns true if all characters are alphabets. Is digit method returns true if string contains only digits. Let's test the string modifiers using a program. In the program, two variables are defined. String variable x with a value hello py and string variable y with a value of hello py with a single space after py. Print method is added to print the variable in uppercase by using variable name.upper method. Once executed, we can see that all the characters are converted into uppercase. Print method is added to print the variable in lowercase by using variable name.lower method. Once executed, we can see that all the characters are converted into lowercase. Print method is added to print the variable in capitalize by using variable name.capitalize method. Capitalize method converts all the characters into lowercase except the first character of string. Once executed, we can see that the first characters are in uppercase and all the other characters of string are converted into lowercase. Two print statements are added to show the functionality of strip method. In the first print statement, we are using variable b.strip method. In the second, we are just printing the variable b. Once executed, we can see that for second print statement, variable b has a single space still present. For the other print statement, where strip method is used, it has removed the space from the end of the string. Commenting the code. Adding two print statements to show the functionality of find statements. In the first print statement, we are using variable a.find method to find the existence of substring lo in the string hello py. The second print is used to find the value of substring a which is not present in the string variable a. When executed, the first print statement finds the starting occurrence of low at array index 3. The second print statement prints -1 as it's unable to find the double A in the string variable A. Adding print statement for index method similar to the find method. The first index method returns the occurrence of the substring LO at index 3, which is similar to the find method tested previously. Adding second print statements for index method to search for double A which is not present. The only difference between the find and index method is that if find method is not able to find the value in strings, it returns -1, where the index method will throw an error message if the value is not found. When executed, we can see that it is throwing error as substring not found within the string, whereas the previously tested find statement just returned -1. Adding print statement for replace method, which is used to find a substring and replace it with another value. It is used as variable named replace with the substring to search and replace in parentheses. When executed, we can see that the val py is replaces with the word Python. Next print statements are added to test the is upper and is lower functionality. It returns either true or false depending on whether all the characters are in upper or lower case. When executed, we can see that both the print statements return false as neither is fully in uppercase nor in lowercase. So let's test the is lower once more by using variable b, which is in lowercase. Once executed, we can see that it prints the value as true. These are some of the different ways in which we can modify string in Python.